Hello students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Now the question is assertion nuclei having mass number 60 are least stable, and the given reason is when two or more light nuclei are combined into a heavier nucleus, then the binding energy per nucleon will decrease. So the problem is based on the topic nuclei, and in this particular problem we can refer a graph between binding energy per nucleon versus the mass number. So this particular curve looks something like this. In this particular curve, we can clearly see that between a certain range of roughly the mass number 30 to mass number 170, this curve is flat, almost flat, and the value is higher as compared to the earlier regions, this region as well as this region. So as compared to this and this region, this middle region is a bit at higher level. So we can say that binding energy per nucleon is the higher here. Now the basic rule is this, that higher the binding energy per nucleon, the more stable the nuclei is. So we can say that the assertion is incorrect because the mass number of 60 lies between 30 and 170, and the binding energy per nucleon is very high here. And we can say that if it is high, then the nuclei is stable. It must be stable. But here this is written as least stable. So it means that assertion is incorrect. Now the reason given here is that when two or more light nuclei are combined into a heavier nucleus, then their binding energy per nucleon will decrease. So this reason is also incorrect, because if we add or if we fuse the nuclei, the lighter nuclei, then we can say that the binding energy per nucleon, it goes up, because the two light nuclei make a heavier nuclei, and corresponding to heavier nuclei, this particular nuclei corresponds to the mass number in between this range, 30 to 170 range. So we can say that this particular range corresponds to a stable kind of nuclei. So the reason here is also incorrect. The binding energy per nucleon will increase if we add to light nuclei. So both the assertion and the reason are incorrect, and we can say that option D is correct here. Option D corresponds to both assertion as well as the reason are incorrect. So this is the final answer. So hope you understand the solution. Thank you.